welcome back to my channel. Today I have a super fun video for you and we are going to talk about some of the ugly ass releases that have come out of some of our most prestigious luxury fashion houses. And I don't know what's going on with some of these items, but it's like, what in the hell is going on? Maybe these people are losing a couple of brain cells, you know, being quarantined too long. I don't know what's going on with some of these designers, but I had to make a video about it, guys. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. I am Erica from Ericasgirlyworld. I hope you love the channel enough to subscribe. And today it is Sunday afternoon, therefore it is fun day for moi. So I'm going to be filming this video while sipping on my favorite cheap wine from Target, straight from France. Okay, if you have not heard of Target, it is a very sophisticated liquor emporium. So guys, I'm just addicted to this Target wine. What am I gonna say? It's called Sweet Shiraz and it's from a brand called Jam Jar. I like my drinks very sweet, so I'm sure it's cheesy as hell and I don't care, because a bitch that knows how to have fun does not need expensive alcohol, boo. Okay, so cheers to Sunday afternoon. Well, sip first. Before I get going on this video, I wanted to show you a couple t-shirts that I got from this brand called Anjie Babie, and they are so beautiful, guys. I posted them on my Instagram. I am trying to help small businesses. She's not paying me anything. She just really sent me the t-shirts and I wanted to show them to you. Look how gorgeous they are. They have a luxury theme, so you will see prints of all different bags from different designers. And I think, you know, if you are on a budget or if you don't want to spend an exorbitant amount of money on a designer t-shirt, I think this gives you the same effect. Look how gorgeous, for a fraction of the price, guys. Let me show you the next one. Oh my gosh, check this out. This one has the saddle from Dior. Look how gorgeous. So the first one was gray, this one is black, and I think this is so cute with like jeans or like shorts. I wore these actually with denim shorts and killer Louis Vuitton combat boots, and they look so cute, guys. The whole look was adorable. Look at this. Look how beautiful this print, guys. What a great gift idea. This one is actually in white, so I got them all in very neutral colors. This one is inspired by the Louis Vuitton multi pochette. Look how cute this is, you guys. Look at that. If you tucked it in with a cute mini skirt with a cute blazer on top. So I will put a link to their Instagram below in my description box, but go check them out. They're so sweet, beautiful small company. You know, let's keep in mind that times are tough and I think we need to continue to support small businesses everywhere, right? All right, so let's get this video started, and we are going to start with Bottega. And I'm gonna tell you that Bottega is gonna be in this video a lot. Bottega gets the prize of the ugliest shit of all time, okay? They have some really huge hits that I absolutely love, but they are so out there that I think, I don't know, 60% of their stuff is like, no way in hell, okay? The first one that I want to talk about is this pointy number right here. They have a version in high heel and low heel, and actually Kylie Jenner has posted this on her stories. She got the high heel version in several different colors, and right off the bat I thought they were horrendous. I said, but you know, I'll give them a chance. I'm gonna go to the store and check them out, and they are just as horrendous in person as they are in video, okay? But worse than the high heel version, it's the flat version. Guys, this thing is so ugly, but here's what I'm thinking. Maybe I'm underestimating their strategic thinking, because Halloween is around the corner. So I'm thinking maybe they launched these because they are the perfect complement for your witch costume for Halloween. Next one is this blazer from Prada. If you want to look like you gained about 87 pounds, or if you want to have a costume for astronaut for Halloween, I think this blazer is for you. Super fluffy, makes you look like a linebacker from the front and the back. I mean, Can't beat it, man. Talk about bang for your buck. This is the kind of blazer that when you arrive in the room, there is no way in hell people are not gonna see it because you're taking half of the space. Next, we go back to Bottega, where I want to talk about these mules that they just launched. I have to applaud Bottega this season. I think Bottega is now releasing items with functionality in mind. I mean, if you can marry fashion and function, I mean, you discover the secret, right? So think about it. If you look at these mules, if you broke your foot and you need to immobilize your foot, but I mean, you don't want to put a cast on because a cast is like so 2007, you know what I mean? So if you want to immobilize your foot, what a better way than wearing these bandage looking mules? And I mean, and you're still looking super high styling. It's Bottega after all. Now, speaking of Bottega, there's also a variation of these mules, and this one again, functionality is at the forefront. I mean, think about it. You wear these mules. If you go to the grocery store, you really have to think about 300 things that you need to buy, and then you look at your mules, they look like ramen noodles. So you're like, ah, dang, I was gonna forget to buy my pasta. Next up are these pair of boots from Bottega yet again. And when I look at these boots, guys, first thing that comes to my mind, and I appreciate again that Bottega is thinking about minorities and thinking about Latin people like me. Because when I look at this, what is the first thing that I think about?
Hola, soy Tora.
I mean, how cool, right? I really do think that these fashion houses are really trying to incorporate other cultures and like minorities into their line. Now we're gonna switch up to Dior, and I have to show you these two shoes from Dior, and I am glad to introduce to you the Dior Kovid shoe line. If you work at a hospital, if you are a nurse or a doctor and you need a super practical shoe to walk around with your nurse gear, I mean, these are it. I mean, they are comfortable, they are functional. Is Dior smart or not? I mean, I have to applaud Dior for thinking about healthcare workers in the age of COVID, because the hospital is the only place that we're gonna wear this ugly ass shit. Speaking of hospital, we have this pair of shoes from Maison Margiela, and these are like on a whole nother level. This is if you need to immobilize your one toe and you need to separate it from the others. Look at all the protection and anatomy around your toe that has been injured and incapacitated. I mean, 5 pounds of like that plastic around it. I mean, that shit is not gonna move, guys. You're probably gonna recover from your fracture 3 times faster than a normal cast. Next, we have to talk about this Louis Vuitton shield. This has been all over Instagram. This Louis Vuitton shield cost $1,000. And I am really sorry, guys, but in my opinion, you cannot look any more ridiculous than this, okay? Come on, you're walking around with this huge thing looking like you're freaking going to the moon. Are you an astronaut, okay? On top of it all, they weren't thinking, whoever designed this mask, or shield, or Captain America shield, or PVC wall. I don't know who did that, but it certainly wasn't a woman. It certainly wasn't a woman, because a woman would never design a mask that has this band right here, right across your forehead. I mean, look at this. Let's do a mock situation here. I have an Hermes band right here ready to go, so we can have a reenactment of what this mask is gonna look like on you, okay? So there you go. This is you with your Hermes band looking like you are a 70s flower child, okay? With your hair popping up like this, and then this band right here to fill your forehead with pimples, okay? Don't even do your hair. I mean, maybe it's a good thing that they designed this. You don't even need to do your hair, sister, because it's gonna get screwed up anyway. You know what I mean? So you are hoping that this band full of Louis Vuitton logo is gonna distract people from how shitty you look. And we need a sip of wine after all of that, because I'm getting stressed. Now, before I get to my last item, as I fix my hair, before I get to my last item, I figured we needed to talk about something for the boys. And even though this is not luxury, I think this is a big development in swimwear for men. So for my boys in the audience, I know you're there. I love you boys, okay? So I have to make you aware of this brand new launch called Brokini. Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you to the Brokini. What in the flying flop is this? Like, what in the flying flop is this? I don't know what the hell is going on with this, okay? I do like my man strong, and I like men to show their goods on the beach. I think beautiful things were made to be admired, okay? Because I'm married doesn't mean I'm blind, all right? If it's beautiful, it is meant to be appreciated. And believe me, I come from Brazil where men wear Speedos. Super cute Speedos. I'm gonna show you the Speedos after. But this, like, what the hell is this? And then, again, did they not think about what the tan lines for this are gonna look like? Can you imagine your man is like, oh, hot and heavy. Oh, hold on, dear. Let me remove my clothes. And you have your brokini tan in one boob. You have one boob is white, one boob is black. What the hell? Guys, what the hell is this? Oh my God. I totally think men should be sexy on the beach. I don't like men when they wear those big ass surfer shorts that go all the way to their knees. Also because the tan lines look horrible, like their thighs look white because they never get any sun, right? So I actually bought my husband Scott. I always bring him Speedos from Brazil when I come back because the Speedos from Brazil are a little bit different than the American ones. I don't like the American ones because the sides are like super thin, and I feel like it makes the guy not look as masculine, and I like my man masculine and toxic, okay? So for y'all trying to get rid of toxic masculinity, please don't. Please don't. You haven't consulted with me, okay? I like my man masculine and toxic, okay? So the Speedos in Brazil, they are small, but they're masculine, okay? So you can see right here on this photo that on the side, they're thicker, but you can still see the goods. You can see if they're packing a little junk in the trunk, you know? And in the hood, if you know what I mean. So I much rather stay with my Brazilian Speedo than with the ridiculousness of this brokini, okay? I want to know what you guys think. Please let me know in the comment section below. If you see your man wearing that, do you think that's gonna catch on? Do you think guys are gonna jump on that at all? I just want to know. Now for my last item, we're gonna end this video with Chanel. So this shoe from Chanel has been a huge hit. They have a heel version that I think is very cute. It looks very old world, and I think it looks like, I don't know, 1950s traditional femininity. You know, it has a bow, they have it in gold, it's really adorable. But they also launched a flat version, and the flat version, in my opinion, is horrendous. I mean, for you to buy this shoe, it means you gave up on life and you gave up on man. I mean, I'm really sorry, and I know us women, we don't live our lives thinking about men. I mean, but we do want to get some action every so often. I mean, right? So if you are planning on getting some action every so often, do not buy this Chanel shoe. This is a grandma of the grandma of the grandma. This is not even like a modern day grandma. This is a grandma from 1855. Do you know what I mean? So even those of you who are married, because you're married doesn't mean you died, okay? If you're married, your husband still has to want to do you, sister. You still need to look doable. Do you know what I mean? There is no man that fantasizes about taking those shoes off to do you know? So ladies, please, please, please. You guys know I'm 47, I'm almost 50. Does not mean I'm gonna dress like I already died, okay? So I hope you listen to this advice. I'm saying it from the bottom of my heart because I love you guys and I want you to look nice. Now, with that being said, fashion is personal, really. This is all for fun, so you need to do whatever the hell makes you happy, okay? So guys, this is it for the video today. I want to know what you thought about the pieces that I talked about. Please leave a comment in the comment section below. And thanks for hanging out with me. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you on the next video. Cheers! Bye!